Hello, Grade 1. How are you today? Teacher Topper is back for our math class. So get ready and prepare your book and a pencil. Alright? So let's begin. So our topic for today is about comparing numbers 1 to 10 and 0. Comparing numbers 1 to 10 and 0. So you can find it on page 27 of your mathematics book. So now, pairing tells us if the two numbers are equal, unequal, greater, and smaller. So equal, it means same number. Unequal, meaning it's not the same, not equal. So greater is or bigger than, right? Smaller than or less than. So let's move. Compare the number of tables and chairs. So let's count the tables. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 tables. Now let's count the chairs. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 chairs. So let's compare. There is the same number of tables and chairs. It means 3 is equal to 3. Alright, grade 1? So let's move to another example. Let's take a look on this example. Compare the number of bowls and spoons. So let's count the bowls. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 bowls. Let's count the spoons. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 spoons. Wow, grade 1. Alright, let's compare. There are more bowls than spoons. Or you can say 4 is greater than 3. Alright, grade 1, are you following? Good job, grade 1. So next. So now, this time we will try to answer some exercises from your book. It is on page 28. Alright? So prepare it and let's try to answer this activity. Number 1. So what are you going to do is look at the pictures. Write numerals and circle equal or unequal. Alright, let's go. Let's answer number 1. What do you see here, grade 1? So there are, correct, bananas and monkeys. So how many bananas are there? Let's count. 1, 2. There are 2 bananas. So you will write number 2 in the first box like this. Alright, next, let's count the monkeys. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 monkeys. So you will write number 4 in numerals in the second box. Alright, grade 1, are you following? So now let's compare number 2 and number 4. 2 is equal or unequal to 4? Yes, 2 is unequal to 4. Great job, grade 1. So now let's move to number 2. What do you see there? There are fish and cats, right? So let's count the fish. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 fish. So you will write number 3. Now let's count the cats. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 cats. You will write 3 again. Alright, now let's compare 3 and 3. 3 is equal or unequal to 3? You are right, grade 1. 3 is equal to 3. So you will encircle the word equal. Alright, grade 1, let's move to number 3. What do you see? Yes, there are worms and birds. Alright, let's count the worms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 worms. Now let's write number 5 in the first box. All right? Now let's count the birds. 1, 2. There are 2 birds. You will write number 2. Now let's compare 5 and 2. 5 is equal or unequal to 2? Grade 1? Yes, 5 is unequal to 2. Good job, grade 1. You are very smart. Did you get it? Are you following, teacher? Now, let's move to the next page of your book. This time, again, look at the pictures. Write numerals and circle greater or smaller. This is on page 29 of your book. Alright, grade 1? So let's answer. Number 1, what do you see? Correct, there are bones and dogs. So let's count the bones. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 bones. So you will write number 3 in the first box. Now let's count the dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you will write 5, grade 1. Are you following? Now, let's compare. 3 is greater than or smaller than 5? Yes, correct. 3 is smaller than 5. Alright, grade 1, are you following? Now, let's go to number 2. What do you see there? There are carrots and rabbits. Wow. Let's count the carrots first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 carrots. So you will write 6 in the first box. Alright, grade 1, let's count the rabbits. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 rabbits. Yes. So now let's compare 6 and 4. 6 is greater than or smaller than 4? Correct. 6 is greater than 4. Wow, grade 1, you are very smart. Are you following? Yes. So let's move to number 3. What do you see in number 3? I see elephants and what plant is that? Yes, sugar canes. So sugar canes. Let's count the sugar canes. 1, 2. There are 2 sugar canes plants. Okay, you will write 2. Now, let's count the elephants. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 elephants. You will write 4. Now, let's compare 2 and 4. 2 is greater or smaller than 4? Yes, 2 is smaller than 4. Alright, grade 1, you are very good. Did you get the answer? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, now, homework time. So, teacher will give you some homeworks, all right? So you are going to answer page 30 and 31 of your math book. All right, you can do it. I know you can do it, grade 1. So that's all for today. So see you again to our next class. Bye-bye.